So today I'm going to show you exactly how a powerful AI named Claude can help you turn a local business's challenge into a steady $500 a month income stream. So, are you ready to learn this formula? I'm going to show you exactly how I did this at my agency. And for this method, you're not going to rely on any clients. There's no prospecting, no sales calls, no monthly reports, no update meetings, no questions from clients coming in. The only tools I used for this are GoHighLevel and Claude. And you don't need any technical knowledge to do what I did here. I'm even going to give you my GoHighLevel snapshot that will allow you to repeat exactly what I did if you join my free school community, there's a link in the description, and sign up under my GoHighLevel affiliate link. Also, in my school community, I'm going to give you all the prompts I use with Claude, so as you're watching this video, you don't need to keep pausing it and writing it all down. So once you get this set up, it's going to keep depositing money in your account every month, and you're going to have to spend less than 10 minutes keeping it going. Here are a couple screen caps of my earnings. April of 2024, we have $958.81. May, $987.97. July was $718.14. And finally in August was $518. Now this is just from 3 phone numbers, with the bulk of the earnings coming from just one of those. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start here in the GoHighLevel backend. This is showing some conversations that are coming in, but what I really want to show you is the website. So I'm going to click over to websites. Here's the website that we're using for this sub-account. You can see it ends up being about 27 different pages, and every sub-account like this has its own website, and each website is optimized for a given search term. We also have a variety of automations that help conversions when leads come into this website. If you're using this website yourself, it's going to be easier to keep with Plumber. But if you're building this from scratch, there's a few things to keep in mind when you're choosing a target local business. First, your local business needs to be a local service-based business. For clear reasons, it can't be a business where customers come to the business location. After all, there's just a website here. If your focus was going to get clients in this space, there are a lot of other aspects that you would need to consider, but you're not going to go after clients. You don't need to worry about customer conversion, customer value, or any of the other factors that you would normally use to decide on which local business you wanted to start doing marketing for. Instead, most of these niches, you're going to get paid based on the number and the duration of the call. A couple of examples: plumbers pay up to $80 a call, appliance repairs up to $30, carpet cleaning $15, electrician $45, and so on and so on. So let's take a closer look at that website. The homepage is targeting Plumber Houston or Plumber City. And we have secondary category pages targeting each one of the secondary categories. Below those, we have additional service pages targeting each one of those services. For a detailed look on how you should structure a local business website like this, I wanted to take a look at this video on YouTube. It's an early one that I did that breaks down exactly how to structure a website for local SEO effectiveness. That video will also include a downloadable guide so that you know exactly how to structure your website. Once we've built this website once, it lives in the GoHighLevel snapshot for that sub-account. And that means we can copy the website as many times as we need to. But of course, all the content is going to be absolutely identical. So that's where Claude 3.5 Sonnet comes in. We're going to use Claude to write new content that is unique for this website, and content that passes an AI detector that will also be valuable and engaging to a human reader. After all, that's how we're going to convince someone who's reading this to actually pick up the phone. So let me show you how we can do that with just one prompt. Now remember, anytime you're working with AI content, you should also have a human editor double checking everything before posting it. AI still makes a lot of errors with content generation. So here's that prompt that we're going to give Claude and have it generate content. You see, I already ran it, but I'm just going to go ahead and copy the output from it. Copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and open ZeroGPT, which is an AI content detector, and I'll paste in the content that was just generated. And we've passed with a 3.74%. Your text is human written. All we have to do is paste it in section by section, and we're done. With Claude's help, we're able to create a high-quality website with over 27 pages and over 50,000 words of content in just a few hours. Before AI help, we used to regularly pay 12 cents per word for high-quality content. That would have meant over $5,000 just for the content required here, much less the images. Now we can build this whole website for a few $100s in my editor's time to get the whole thing done. And you can do it yourself in a few hours and have yourself a fully optimized website built for local SEO. There are a few things that you need to keep in mind. First of all, and I mentioned this briefly before, all of the content needs to be fact-checked before going online. Human oversight is a necessity, even among the latest AI generation models. Second, you should make sure that you state on the website that you are not actually the local business, you're a third-party lead generation service. The website should be positioned as a lead generation service, not as a true local business. Your call to action should be something like find a plumber now, not book our service. Website branding should make it clear that this is not a local plumbing business. The About Us page should also explicitly state you're a lead generation service, something like we're a digital platform that connects local residents with quality plumbers in your area. We're not plumbers ourselves. Finally, use language such as our network of plumbers offers when discussing services instead of this is what we do. Third, make sure the niche you've chosen is compliant with local business regulations and advertising laws. Some areas, some niches, you can't do this with a third-party service. I am not a legal professional, and you may consider consulting with one in your area to ensure this is compliant. Fourth, you need to use a dedicated privacy policy that clearly explains how you're handling lead information. Next, once we've built the website, we need to go and build some trust with Google. Now, for most cities with a population of under 500,000, this isn't going to be super difficult. Remember, SEO, especially local SEO, is like going with your friends on a camping trip when a bear shows up. You don't need to outrun the bear, you just need to outrun your slowest friend. So the source that we use to build this trust for external links is the icecreamtruck.shop. The total budget for enough links to rank for most cities is going to be under $1,000. Now that's not going to be enough for Houston, of course, but you shouldn't be targeting Houston, you're targeting smaller cities. If you built the website yourself, that's the only investment you're going to need to make this work. Now, I don't need to tell you that $1,000 in building trust with Google is well worth the $500 per month you'll be getting once it ranks. Few investments have such a crazy fast return on investment. You need to keep an eye on the phone number that you've set up in the GoHighLevel platform. Once you start receiving calls from people looking for services, you'll then need to go and find a lead wholesale company. You'll redirect all the calls to the wholesale company, and they'll pay you each month based on the volume of leads, among other factors unique to each lead wholesaler. I'm going to give more details in my free school community, so you can grab them there, and you should reach out to me with any questions or issues that you have. Now, I did this myself. I showed you the screenshots of monthly earnings, and that's only from 3 of this type of website. A powerful AI content writer like Claude makes it easy to rank and monetize sites for local SEO. A lot of local businesses pay companies for leads because they lack the expertise to rank their own websites, and they can't necessarily afford to engage an SEO expert for thousands of dollars per month to do this for them. So instead, they choose to pay per qualified lead, which can be a low-cost way for them to get started in building their business. To get more details on the exact strategy and the GoHighLevel snapshot that you can build yourself to make this fast and easy to replicate, I want you to check out this video where I break down everything and how we're using GoHighLevel for local SEO as part of a case study.